Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you work, you're just treading water financially? Or maybe you've even started a side hustle and put in the work, but still haven't seen the kind of results you were expecting? Well, the answer might not be in more work, but in thinking differently. Because the wealthy don't just earn differently, they think differently. Once you understand their rules, money will stop being your biggest problem. In this light, Robert Kiyosaki, the author of the famous book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, he identified 5 powerful principles that separate the rich from the poor. Today, let's break them down in a way you can actually apply to your own life. And at the end, I'll share one hidden habit every self-made millionaire relies on. Rule number 1, learn how to make more money. Most people work only for a paycheck. The rich, however, work for skills. Kiyosaki's very first job paid him less than others, but it gave him something more valuable than money: the ability to sell. That skill later allowed him to launch his own company. Real growth happens through experience, not books or seminars. Choose jobs, challenges, and opportunities that teach you how to multiply your income, not just collect it. Every financial problem you solve makes you smarter, sharper, and more prepared for the next one. Rule number 2, protect your money from predators. The financial world is full of traps. Banks, brokers, and so-called experts are often more interested in their own profit than yours. Promises of high returns usually come at your expense. The solution? Take responsibility for your money. Learn taxes, understand contracts, hire real experts only when necessary, and most importantly, become your own financial manager. The less you rely on others, the harder it is for anyone to take advantage of you. Rule number 3, manage your money wisely. Earning is one thing, keeping is another. True wealth comes from creating a surplus, income that consistently stays above expenses. How? By prioritizing assets over liabilities. That could mean investments, skills, health, or even charity. But here's the golden rule. Your assets should pay for your luxuries. Want a new car? First, create or buy an income source that covers its cost. This way, your lifestyle grows because of your assets, not at the expense of them. Rule number 4, invest to grow your wealth. Savings alone won't make you rich. The wealthy use investments to multiply what they have. Real estate, stocks, businesses, these are the vehicles of financial freedom. But investing isn't gambling. It requires knowledge, patience, and the courage to take calculated risks. Every hour spent learning how money grows pays you back for life. Rule number 5, control the information you rely on. We live in the age of unlimited information, but more isn't always better. The rich know how to filter, analyze, and use only what's relevant and reliable. Ask yourself, is this fact or just an opinion? Can it be verified? Does it reveal a trend? By mastering information, you master the future, because wealth follows those who see opportunities before others. And now for the bonus, the habit every self-made millionaire relies on: courage. Knowledge means nothing if you don't act. The difference between dreamers and millionaires is the courage to take the first step, fail, learn, and keep moving. Forget what people think. Stay focused on your financial goals. Build skills, protect your money, invest wisely, and keep improving. Wealth isn't luck. It's a mindset, a strategy, and the bravery to live differently. These principles aren't just words. They're the keys to a financial life you actually want. Think about it. Would you rather be the person who understands these principles, but doesn't use them? Or someone who puts them into practice, even if they don't understand everything perfectly? The choice is yours. Your wealth is your choice. It's time to start seeing yourself as an asset, because you are the most valuable investment you'll ever make. So go out there, learn, grow, and most importantly, take action. The world is full of opportunities waiting for you. Are you ready to grab them? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And if you'd like to learn more about the habits of the super wealthy, check out this video next. Thank you for watching.